In challenging times, flexibility is key to raise manufacturing productivity. When CapEx is cut and budgets are low, how can you still aim to grow? The answer is clear. You simply hire power, heating, cooling, all you require. The latest technology for a low upfront cost, installed and maintained, no uptime is lost. Add a temporary plant to power the site, keeping production lines running day and night. Add gas generators where they need to be, targeted power for greater efficiency. Intelligent batteries hold energy in store, integrating with renewables, generating more. Recover waste heat through CHP to heat your factory more sustainably. Steam generators fit the tightest space, fast, quality steam to every workplace. When temperatures are rising and the heat is on, add chillers and coolers and the problem's gone. Scale up and down whenever you choose. No long-term contracts. You really can't lose. Our solutions are like bricks to add as you go. Modular configurations for a seamless flow. When you've finished adding, you just take away. Flexible, efficient, sustainable. The Aggreko DNA. Just add Aggreko.